Last week, Realme announced that the GT Neo 3T will launch in global markets on June 7th. The device was later teased, officially confirming that it is indeed a rebranded Realme Q5 Pro. Now, the marketing material for the upcoming smartphone has leaked, giving us detailed information on the Realme GT Neo 3T. Starting off with the appearance, the smartphone will come with a racing stripes pattern on the rear panel for two color options, dash yellow and drifting white. The grayish color option, dubbed the shade black, will lack the racing pattern on the back. On the front, the device has been confirmed to feature an AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate. This display will probably measure 6.62 inch in size, and will offer Full HD Plus resolution, along with 1300 nits of peak brightness, and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. Under the hood, the device will house the Snapdragon 870 chipset paired with a 4129 square millimeters stainless steel vapor cooling system to keep thermals under control. The device will have 8 GB of RAM, which can be virtually expanded up to 13 GB, 8 GB and 5 GB virtual. A previous leak has mentioned that the device will come with up to 256 GB of storage. The haptics and vibrations of the device will be taken care of by the Tactile Engine 2.0 X-axis linear motor, and the device will come with a massive 5000 mAh battery with support for 80-watt fast charging. Lastly, the promo material confirms that the device will feature a triple camera setup on the back, made up of a 64-megapixel primary sensor paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel macro shooter. The promotion does not mention the front camera specs, but previous leaks indicate that it will be a 16-megapixel sensor. The Realme GT Neo 3T is expected to be priced between 30,000 and 35,000 rupee in the global market. This is just speculation, so users are advised to take this with a pinch of salt. The official price of the Realme GT Neo 3T will be revealed on June 7th. What do you think about the updated smartphone from Realme? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.